Welcome you all again. In the last video we had learned how to search in PubMed. Now we are here to discuss on how to extract articles from PubMed. So through this search term we had got around 40 articles given by PubMed. So we are going to extract these 40 articles into my system. In case if you are doing systematic reviews, most of the systematic review softwares will be expecting articles to be in format called RIS format. Actually, Scopus, Web of Science and few other databases like MBS used to give options for extracting articles from their databases directly in RIS format. But unfortunately, PubMed is not having that option. PubMed is having only option to download in PubMed, PMID, abstract or CSV. CSV is nothing but like an Excel file. So for that case, we need this 40 articles out. Either all the results. We are having only 10 results in this page. So we are going to click all the results and I'm going to download it in PMID. So I have got the PMIDs of 40 articles. Just Control A, copy. I'm going to Google PMID to RIS converter. I had copied those PMIDs and I'm going to paste it here, Control V. So we have got around 40 PMID to RIS converter, convert. So this is the RIS format, download. So we have downloaded the articles in RIS format, which is mostly expected for most of the systematic reviews. But this is not the case when we are going to extract more than 100 or 500 or 1000 articles from PubMed. This online PMID to RIS converter will not be efficient to convert. I had tried, so only I'm saying, will not be efficient enough to convert more than 100 or 150 articles. So instead of 40, if you are having around 100 or 500 or 600 articles, if you are going to download it in PMID and we are going to convert this using this PMID to RIS converter online, it is not efficient enough. Instead, this link can be used where we can upload the format as NBIB format. We are having an option to extract articles directly from format, whatever it is, 1000 or 1500 or 2000 in NBIB format. Instead of going to save, go to send to citation manager, all the results. So this is the NBIB format. So we are going to convert this into RIS format. We are not having any online free software for that. NBIB to RIS converter. We are not having anything. Instead, we are having only online BibTeX to RIS converter. BibTeX is something different from NBIB. NBIB is very specific to PubMed search engine alone. So I had created my own web page. The link for this page, I'll be providing it in the description. You can use it out. So upload those NBIB file which you had downloaded. Within a few seconds, your RIS file will be ready. This is your RIS file. So I had got the 40 articles RIS file through NBIB format, not from the PMID format. And I had checked even this page with 1000, 1500 or 2000 articles. It will be functioning very efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, please do let me know. And if you need any other topics to be discussed in detail, please put it in comment. I'll definitely respond to it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.